Okay, you guys, it's Chris Lambert here. We got so many boxes, they're falling all over the place. They're big boxes today, so welcome to my new unboxing video, and let's find out what we got. I think I need to sharpen this knife. I think it's starting to get dull. Start with box number one. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, hey, oh. Don't want to damage anything. Can't get any farther back unless I gotta bring a real tripod out here. But let's see what's here. Looks like nothing. This must be a tool. Okay, yes it is. Okay, that's why it's heavy. This is a wrecking tool. If you ever need to tear a wall apart, drywall or whatever, you got a hammer type thing here. You got like a pry bar. I'm not sure what all this is for. Grab things, rip them out. Here you got a crowbar. You can pull out nails. Nice for about around $20. Got it for. It's called a Rage 15-inch, made by Vaughn. Okay, that's why that one was so heavy. Okay, now I think we're on to the Halloween stuff. As I said, I wanted to start Halloween early this year, so I make sure I can take my time and get everything I need without having to pay high prices at the last minute or people run out of stock. This is a popular TV series on Netflix called Wednesday. First of all, we have this gigantic box. We have a rose. Is it sealed in this plastic? Okay, if it's sealed in this plastic, I'm going to keep it in here, but we have a nice artificial silk rose. And this will be for Morticia to hold. Because I think what we have here, the rest of this is a Morticia costume. So let's get on with it. Let's open this. I already have a Wednesday costume. I didn't show you those. I'll try and show you the rest of them. I've got the hat for the Uncle Fester costume, waiting on the overcoat. What is this? Oh, I thought this was a metal box. It's shiny. Okay, I know what this is. These are Morticia shoes. We wanted to make our Morticia taller than she actually was, so so there you go. Check those out. This will make our Morticia 5 inches taller, and the dress should cover this up anyway. So if this isn't the shoes, I'm sure she doesn't wear these shoes. I don't think so, but yeah. So these are the Morticia shoes. Nice. They were recommended by Amazon also, but sometimes it's a good thing, but not always. Sometimes they turn out to be bad products. This one's supposed to be pretty good. Now, let's see what else we have for Morticia. We have a rose. We have her shoes. Here we have her wig. I don't want to take it out of the package because I have to tear it open, but it's a long haired Morticia wig. Let me put that in here with the shoes. And then I didn't have to buy the rose. The Morticia dress came with a rose. Okay, this is the Morticia dress. Here you can see the picture of the cartoon version one of the cartoon versions of the Addams Family. There's more than one. So yes, it's a long, like I said, I don't want to take it out and mess it up. Just want to show you what I've ordered. You'll see in October or the beginning of November, depending on when the Halloween costume contest is, you'll see what we all look like dressed as the Addams Family from Netflix. So there we have those. Let's get one more. We're running out of time here anyway, so let's see what the last one is. Now the Morticia dress is not the exact one she wears. It's one that the person playing Morticia has picked out. Later on I found the exact one that she wears being sold on. Well, this one is pretty beat up. These are hard to find now. They're all out of stock, so you know, what can I do? Yeah, I found the real Morticia dress on Etsy for I think $80 or something like that. If anybody wants the real one, it has the gray design on it. I don't know if it got spider webs or what, but this is a monster hand. Looks like somebody sat on it. But, you know, what can I do? It's not. It doesn't look like Thing. I've seen someone on these monster creators that they take things and they redo things. What they did with this is they took this latex rubber off, molded their own with the help of a professional, and made it into the real Thing. Now what I would do if I wanted to make this into Thing, I would just, I don't think he has this ring on, I would just buy some latex paint and almost looks like it's cracked up here. I think it's broken, but you know, what am I gonna do? Well, here we go. Now let's see if we can try this thing out. Looks like it has batteries in it. I'm happy just that I got it. Like I said, I've ordered more than one of these Thing hands. I'll probably lose it when I turn this thing on. Let's see how it works. Okay, moves around. I don't know if it actually walks, but it moves. That's funny. So what I would do is get some latex paint and just repaint it over everything. Yeah, latex and latex paint are smelly, but you know, the smell goes away after a while. My cat seems to like that box. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing of some of my household tools and Halloween costume contest items. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want, and you know, share the video if you want. Thank you. Bye bye. Till next time.